Hello, once again you're welcome on SRTV Lab. Today I would like to show you the organizational structure of the whole human being as an organism. We will see the smallest part, functional or structural part of the whole organism. I mean a human being. We will see little about the function of every part and how all the parts are built together to make something big, up to when we will see the part that makes the whole organism, I mean the whole human being. I hope it's going to be very helpful. Please stick on it from the beginning up to the end. You are going to learn a lot about the human being.
You are warmly welcomed on SRTV Lab.
Main literature tells that the cell is the basic functional and structural unit of a human being or organism. But there are others that are smaller than the cell. Here, the smallest one, we say it is atom. Like here, we see oxygen. Then from atom, we see molecule. When 2 or 3 atoms combines together, similar atom, then we see what we call macromolecule. This is when many molecules combine together to make a big molecule, like here H2O or CO2, such as DNA, then organelles. Let's start from the atom. Actually, an atom is composed of 2 regions. The nucleus, it has also the surrounding area where we see the electrons. Good. Here in the center, we see the one in a color of red and blue combination of them in the center. That is what we say like nucleus. And then this cycle around it, they make what we call the nucleus around the orbit. After the atom, atom combined together, they make molecule. Then macromolecule, when so many atoms or so many molecules combine together. Okay, it's not a big molecule, but it's one part of the macromolecule. Like here, this is a combination of 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. They make what we call CO2. Also, we can give another example like H2O. H2O is the water formula. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So this is how it looks like. You see 1 atom, let's take like carbon and 2 oxygen around it. They make a bond. This bond is the one that gives a molecule. Like you see, when you see water, water is something tangible. You can just see water, but it's a combination of 1 atom of hydrogen, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. That is how it is. Remember, we started from the atom, molecule, macromolecule. When 2 atoms or more atoms are together, sometimes they make the reaction. Like see, here we see some molecules around 1 molecule. The reaction that will be carried here is these blue ones are reacting with the white one. They are activating it. So it's getting big. So when their action is done, they go away or they move away. These are the reactions that takes place within the body. Sometimes some molecules go and activate another one, and when their works are done, they go away. From macromolecule, we see what we call organelles. Organelles, they are inside the cell. Do you get it? From the atom, molecule, macromolecule, then organelles. Organelles are the one that make the cell. Like inside the cell, we see what we call the mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes, and so on. The green one inside is the nucleus. You get it? So those are part of the cell. Like here you can see the red blood cells. These red blood cells, they have a specific function with the circulatory system. These are the ones that are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the whole body. So the red blood cells have different parts that help it to carry that oxygen. That is how the body is. The blood is not only made by only red blood cells, also there are other like white blood cells. These are the cells. Now from the cell we get the tissues, and from the tissue we go to the organs. Like here we see the heart. The heart is an organ. This organ is made up of different tissues. You get it? Now we are going to see how organs combine together and make what we call the system. The system also go and make the organism. The organism, I mean the whole body. Good, let's see. For instance here, this is the whole organism. This is made up of like the heart together with the blood vessels, they make the cardiovascular system. I'm giving you some examples of the systems. Here we see the kidneys. The kidneys together with the ureters, the urinary blood, they make the urinary system. Here we see the liver. Liver helps different systems. It helps digestive system within the circulatory system. Liver is a multifunctional organ. Here we see the stomach. The stomach together with other parts, we are going to see them, they make the digestive system. Here we see the lungs. The lungs together with the bronchial tree, they make the respiratory system. Here we see the brain. The brain is the engine or the control center of the whole body. It makes the nervous system together with other parts. Here we see the intestine. Intestine together with the stomach, the mouth, the esophagus, they make the digestive system, and then they make the whole body organism. So, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope it's very helpful. So please, don't keep this information just with yourself. Share this information with your colleagues. See you in another video. Next time, may God bless you abundantly. Please support this channel by pressing like, subscribe, and the bell. This is a huge support for this channel. May God bless you.